Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This exercise is strictly about practice, practice, practice. Lookup after lookup after lookup. There's a variety. Our data is very simple. All we're trying to do is find one thing or another. What do I mean? Here, we have a fee. We want to know lookup rating and fee. Based on $5,000, what's the rating? Here, we're looking at VLOOKUP, F5, and then you're going, whoa, what's this? Well, we can use a choose. Take a look here, look up our table array. You know how we usually just pick all this stuff? We can choose 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. We're looking at the table array. This is what happens. We're looking at that 3, 2, 1. It grabs this information, $3,000, rafting through the canyon. Exciting. That's what it puts together. And then we have column 3. We have F5, which is $5,000. We have this data here, row 3. We should be looking at an answer of great. That's our end result. Okay, so we have this lookup value, F9, which is $5,000. We have this lookup array, F9, F9, and then we have this column index, F9, and then we have an exact match. VLOOKUP is looking for the $5,000. And then, okay, in short, what the choose function does, it rearranges this stuff. Where we're looking at rating, activity, and fee, the choose function reverses this. We're doing what's called a reverse lookup. That way you can see now we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. What happens? VLOOKUP finds that $5,000. It identifies it as great. Moving on. Here we have XLOOKUP. F5 is looking up the $5,000. Lookup array, D5. D5, a little bit backwards here. D5, it's return array. Because I'm so used to VLOOKUP, I get things backwards a little bit. These are backwards. It's great. Here we have index match. Match, what's it going to do? It's going to find a row. So it's going to look for $5,000. Where? D5 to D8. $5,000, D5, D5, D8. What's it going to show up? It's going to show up S3, F9, S3. And index is going to go, great. And last but not least, we have VLOOKUP, which is going to look up F14. And what's it going to do? Notice the difference between the XLOOKUP? We're doing columns. We're doing columns where the VLOOKUP is looking at the entire list. And then it's just picking a column. Whatever works for you, strongly recommend you take a quick read of the narrative, review the anatomy, go back over, and if this threw you, read the summary over here. Otherwise, have a little fun. Tear this apart piece by piece. This is a review. And notice all the NAs. Get rid of the NAs. Get rid of the NAs if you can. Come back with a clean worksheet. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.